Katie here, and welcome to my channel. Hey, I hope that you are having a lovely day wherever you're at. I have not slept. So, last you saw me, I was making a list of chores. Let me tell you what happened. What happened was TikTok. Okay, so my DJ came on, he's on TikTok, and then he came off, and then I ended up scrolling on TikTok for a minute. Then I watched some YouTube videos, and then during one of those YouTube videos, my dog stepped on the screen and opened TikTok somehow. And then I spent all day on TikTok yesterday, at least all evening, and now it's almost 3. But I have this list, and I need to get some things done at the least. I'm currently drinking an espresso. Cheers. And this espresso may or may not contain an instant pack of Death Wish coffee. Just to spice things up. It might also have a little bit of raspberry syrup and cocoa, hot cocoa. Wow, my hair. I washed it yesterday, isn't it just chef's kiss? It's still a mess, but yeah, so I need to tackle a lot of chores. I think what I need to do is change into something more comfortable. Maybe turn my heater up a little bit. Consider my outfit changed. I don't know if this is a muumuu, if it's a dress, if it's a shirt. It's got pockets. It's got pockets though. So, and I think if I can get the majority of the list done, like more than 3/4, or at least 3/4. Okay, at least 3/4. I want to be realistic about this. I'm gonna treat myself, and I'm gonna get a little Christmas tree. Okay, tomorrow I'm gonna get a Christmas tree, or technically today, maybe. It all depends. We'll see. Next. Clothes. Gotta start a little laundry. Alright, we can check that off. Okay, and considering my floor is the thing giving me the most anxiety, like, why can't my dog pick up after himself? Seriously. Anyways, that's gonna be the next thing I do. Even though the living room is the last thing on this list. Now you see it. Now you don't. Oh. But I even cleaned the mirror. Look, no more shine. That's gonna really bother me when I edit. Also, I did all of the floors vacuum style anyways. I didn't mop the bathroom either. And actually I do still need to vacuum that. I'm gonna do that in just a second. But that means that I get to mark off that, and I did this. I'm about to do the bedroom floor, so I'm gonna mark that off as well. But I'm not gonna mark off the kitchen or the tub because, sorry, the bathroom, because I'm gonna mop those. Oh, hi there. So shortly after that last clip, I made myself a little nest in that chair because I started feeling tired. I do this thing, silly little thing that I do, where I'm like, yeah, I could take a nap. I'm gonna do it in the most uncomfortable place possible. I was curled up in a ball on top of that chair, and I slept for an hour. And I got up and I was like, my brain inevitably always, nope, still tired. Closest, comfiest, warmest place possible. Sleep there now. So I came to the couch and I fell asleep. It's 8, so I slept like a total of like 3 hours, which is good. It's good. It's good. But I was about to nap some more. And then I looked down, I was like, oh, there's something on my floor. Okay, right? I was like, that's not unusual. Hold up, I cleaned my floor. And this isn't a small thing. This is the body of this spider is the size of my pinky nail. Now I'm about to flip the camera around. So if you're arachnophobic or like just generally it's oh my god. What are you? It doesn't look like it has anything on its butt or anything. Right? I don't want to put my face too close to this biatch. It must be a huntsman spider, right? Like, I'm just gonna have this camera keep an eye on it. Gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Ah! Oh my god. Where did you come from? There ain't no way you're an indoor spider now, are you? Ain't no way. Ain't no way. I almost died. So, I'm going to fix my hair just up a little bit. I'm going to drink the rest of this lovely Dash Wish coffee, spiked coffee, and brush my teeth and get back to cleaning. Might make some more coffee, honestly. This isn't gonna be enough. I'm exhausted. Okay, so my floor is still wet. So the majority of the list is done. I guess I'm gonna be getting a Christmas tree. I was thinking about it when it started being like, I'm trying to get the lighting right. So just like it feels late in the season to get it. Christmas is what I'm. Happy winter, by the way. This should be the upload date of this is the winter solstice. Hopefully, that means there's like 4 days till Christmas. Also, that I'm uploading on a Thursday, which is apparently not the day that I'm usually going to be uploading, but I didn't upload today, which would be yesterday, which is a Wednesday. So, I'm being really awkward. I'm so tired. I don't know. I got a lot done. I got a lot done. I don't think I've ever got this much cleaning done in one day. I honestly don't even remember if I cleaned things before I went to bed. Did I just clean the floor? Was that all I did? Oh no, yo, I did like all of the floors. Okay, anyways. Oh my gosh. Yeah, okay, I gotta go to bed. I got a 5 o'clock schedule tomorrow for work, so I'm excited. Um, yeah. So anyways, I hope that you have a lovely day wherever you're at. I've gotta go. Bye.